lavender.
And
Here
he
it
was
is.
like, man, I'm hungry.
Broken blade and weird wobbly, but it's not. Let's turn it on low.
And on Sunday, like on the weekends, I
Mm,
mean, because I cook breakfast on the weekend.
Yeah.
But he was like,
Let's see.
he's like, well, I want an omelet with
Hi.
bacon, sausage, and spinach. I said, well, do you, huh? I said, we have a carton of egg whites right here, and we have all the stuff. I took it out.
It's
Okay,
quiet.
I have a question.
Yes?
Whose fault is that?
It was quiet, wobble free when he opened the box, but it was
Go there.
wrong. It
Can I
was,
point it? So we don't have to say anymore.
it's too smooth.
And then
See?
Hey, you only have one.
But see, it's wrapped up.
You
See?
don't care about the other stuff.
I don't care about the other stuff, but you need, you got starved because I'm not home?
You know what you can do? Make a menu.
And I think that that's every fan in the world can be. That's this fan.
Number 6, please.
Number 6, please.
Large size.
And then one day, and then I packed his lunch too. I packed his lunch when so I didn't
You're
put
so
it.
nice.
Alright, here it is. Now here's a handful of lavender
Peel the cucumbers for his